Hi, so I'm Kota Weaver. I'm the CTO and one of the co-founders at Skylla Technologies. And our MIT connections are that two of our co-founders, Professor Hari Asada, who teaches robotics here, and Dr. Sheng Liu, who has a PhD in robotics from MIT, are two of our co-founders here. So our goal at Skylla is to make automation more effective and safer by introducing more people-centric intelligence into robots. We were founded in October of 2017 by a group of machine learning and robotics and AI specialists. So really one of the big areas that we're working in is sort of retrofitting existing factories with new and latest automation technology. And in this area, there's actually a lot of big challenges where a lot of smaller and medium-sized factories can't afford that many robots, and therefore it makes a lot of sense for them to want to share robots between different stations. This can also benefit larger factories who are looking to save both space and money. In addition, a lot of these factories are very congested and can change quite a bit throughout the course of the day. So navigating through these areas is a big challenge. In areas such as warehouse automation, accuracy isn't all that important. But for example, machine tending and things like that, some of these applications require sub-millimeter positioning accuracy. We found that the existing systems out there don't seem to tackle all these problems. So we put together a controller, we call it the Skylla Jetstream Core, and this has a bunch of algorithms in it, a software to solve these problems. And can be used with existing robots and new vehicles as well. So we have, at the core of it all, this human-aware navigation where we've taught robots how people move around, and that leads to a more natural-seeming motion, more predictable for humans. In addition, we have about 0.3 millimeter endpoint positioning accuracy, which is comparable to fixed robots as well, so we can use that for those kinds of applications. We have some simulation and fleet management tools and also an easy programming method. So we're in a few different applications right now. The biggest one is DMG Modi's WH-AMR. DMG Modi is one of the world's largest machine tools companies, and they use it for their the WH-AMR is a mobile manipulator that can move parts between different machines and do basic maintenance and things like that. So that this is actually in factories in the automotive industry, watchmaking, a wide range of different factories around the world. We're also in a leading railway company, so basically on a limited testing basis, this is a guidance robot that can just navigate very smoothly in sort of dense pedestrian traffic. We have two main products, the Jetstream Core robot controller and the fleet management server. And between these two things, you can control your robots. We also provide supports and upgrade contracts. And we typically like to work pretty closely with our customers on and have an NRE in place for their custom applications. So we're currently looking for strategic partners, namely in clean room industry, EV battery manufacturing, a few other things like that, and then also indoor, outdoor, hybrid use cases, and also fleet management related applications. Feel free to reach out. My email is listed, and also our website. Okay. Thank you very much.